Hello everyone, how's it going? This is CJ here, and today I got in a new RC car. Well, it's a roller, but this is a XO-1 roller I bought brand new off of eBay. I bought this brand new off eBay because right now, well, I've always wanted an XO-1. And I was going to buy a ready-to-run early this year, but plans kind of changed. So I have a roller, and I might be doing some videos on building this car up. There it is, deep in there. I'm going to get all this stuff out. Looks like we got some packaging. There she is. She's really hot. There she is. Yeah, it's really hot out here. It's really hot in here in the garage. There it is. And there's all the extra stuff. They got some of the spare screws that they took off, the original pinion, the 100-mile-per-hour splitter. I could tell there's a barcode on there. And if you're wondering what electronics I'm going to do, I'm going to probably do, I'm talking about doing a Spectrum ESC. So I'm thinking about doing a Spectrum ESC and a Spectrum motor. I know it's not a Castle or anything, but first time this is kind of a learning experience for me, and I don't feel safe soldering a series connector. So Spectrum has their Firma line of ESCs that they have the connectors I want already soldered onto them. This is my first time actually seeing an XO-1 in person, so even though this is not really what I originally had intended, it looks like they still have the foam still stuck from where the old ESC used to sit. But look at all that nice aluminum. I was thinking about taking axles from one of these cars and putting them on this truck, which update on this truck, even though the video is not focused around it, I blew the left rear tire running this on 3S. So there's that, and I also got a Fortec 2.0. Put a Valenian brushless system in this. On 3S it's ballistic. I bought a Haas to replace my Stampede down there. And I'm planning to do the ultimate treatment to that. So be on the lookout for that. I haven't made new videos in a long time, and I'm sorry guys, I just kind of got distracted. Doing stuff with all the stuff I like. So, and if you're wondering what wheels and tires I'm going to do, I have a set of Hoons right there, but I'm thinking about doing some stock XO-1 tires for like general running around and driving, and having the Hoons for speed runs. But this is really cool. It's as big as I thought it was going to be. And look at that flat chassis. All that aluminum. I love aluminum suspension parts. I have them on my Slash, which is a near platinum edition. But the only thing it's missing is the sway bars and the S1 compound tires, which I'm going to be buying those. But for right now, I'm going to be focusing on this car. But I think that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.